Hey guys, it's super early in the morning and I'm on the way to the flea market. Guys, we got a big problem here. We have a really big problem. Look at this. Y'all, it's standstill traffic. Do y'all see this? I'm on the highway and it's standstill traffic.
That's crazy.
Y'all, I'm already running a little bit late to the flea market. I don't even know if I'll be able to go today. If I will, it'll be in the video. If not, and then, you know, it won't be in the video. But this is crazy, guys. Like, I woke up a little late and it's traffic. So we're gonna turn this day around, hopefully. So this is the holdup. A truck literally like broke down on the side of the road, so the whole world stopped. All right, I'm pulling up, guys, and it's a good amount of cars here waiting out here. Ain't too shabby. These are purses. Here's one bag right here. Put it right up. Here's another bag. And here's another bag. You said how much? Yeah. Those gonna be 20. Super dark. And you get stack up.
How much?
For just these? Or you still looking? For just, which ones you want? These two? I'll do 30 and 30 for these.
Can you do 25? 25.
Ooh. 25. Yeah, I do it for you. Yeah, I do it. Early bird gets the worm, right? Yeah. Here you go, 10's your change. All right, appreciate it, man. All right, have a good one. Made our first sale of the day. Those, just give me 10.
How much?
Let me see. I'll do 15 on these. 15. Great prices, man. I need to get one of them headlamps, them headlights.
Excuse me.
Hey, so all the clothes are just $1?
The shoes, how much?
Depends on which ones you looking at. Those, I'll do 10 on those. Just gotta find the other one.
Yeah, that's a good thing.
Yeah. Oh, there you go, right there. Yep. Not. You said 25 for both? Nah, I gotta do 15 for those. These are Jordans, man. And they're in really good condition. So. Yeah, I gotta do. I do 20. You said 25?
25.
25? I do 25. Yeah, I do 25. Yeah. Super early, man. 25. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it. All right. Thanks, man.
Thank you.
All right. Have a good one. All clothes just $1. My friend. Those. Yeah, you trying to steal my shoe, man? Come on, man. Hold up now. Caught you red-handed.
What size is these?
What size? These are a size 9 in women. Oh, no, you good, man.
My size 8.
Oh, he's an 8. Yeah, he's about to walk out with my shoes, man. I'm like, hold up now, bro. All right, here you go, man. All right, thanks, man. Y'all have a good one, all right? Oh, this can go any way. You can go many different ways.
15?
15? Ooh. Yeah, I'll do 15 for you. All clothes just $1. Thank you. $5 to change. 1, 2, 3, 4, $5. All right, thank you.
Got a lot of stuff, man.
You see a lot of stuff?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. A lot of good stuff, man.
I'll be right back in a minute. I gotta do these two things, okay?
Okay. I put it. Oh, I put it over here. You want?
Over there, so I'll be back.
Oh, you are? Okay.
Yeah. I'll be back in a minute because
okay.
I want to ask for money.
Oh, yeah. I'm putting it right back here for you.
I'll be back when I get more stuff. Okay?
You said what?
When I get more stuff.
Okay. I appreciate it. What happened? Tools?
Yeah.
Nah, not today.
Not today?
Yeah.
Okay. One.
Just one? Okay.
Ain't mine.
Oh, yeah. You put it in here?
Yeah. Over here because I'm bringing mine.
Oh, you got put it. You can put it in here. Okay. Thank you so much. Yeah.
I'm buying the Aguirre. $50. No more.
Wow. Yeah. What's going on, man?
Thanks. Good, man.
You good? Yep. All clothes $1. What's going on, man? Cool. All clothes $1. Hey. Oh yeah, my bad. Yeah. Yeah, I know it.
They got all the way over the side.
Yeah, my bad. Let me what's up? What's going on, man? Oh, let me get by here real quick. That's good?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sorry about that.
How much?
I think he was getting those right here.
Huh?
You was getting those? Yeah. Need to get some water, man. My throat all dry. Oh, those are his, I think. Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You getting these? All these? This too? Oh no?
Yeah.
10, 30. What's going on, man? You good?
Yeah.
Doing good, man. Doing good. Yeah, I try to bring some bigger sizes out here for you, man.
Yeah, if you run into like 11 and a half, 12, that's where my feet are at. You know?
Okay, I thought you was like a 12 or 13.
Nah, 11
Okay, 11 and a half, 12.
12,
Okay.
13 is too big for my foot, bro. Too much.
Yeah. Okay.
I bought those just because I know somebody who wanted them, not for me.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's it. That's my
Yeah.
size.
Okay.
Like, they gotta be dope, bro.
Yeah.
My shoes to have like a wall full of shoes.
Yeah. Cool. Hey, how you doing?
Hey, madam.
Hey.
Trying to take his shoes already, look. What y'all know about these, man? What you know about these? You know what those are?
The old cities.
He said old CDs. Nah, man.
8-track.
8 tracks, man.
Oh, what's that? Oh.
You said, nah, I don't know nothing about that.
I
Yeah.
don't know nothing about it.
I think these yours, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, they be coming early, man, and wipe me out, man.
Yeah.
I'm like, it's super dark still, you know. I feel like I need to rent 2 spots, man, and just get a U-Haul or something and bring, you know. Yeah.
What's up?
Right here.
How much each?
Oh, $1. 10, 15, 25, 40, 50 for both of these, 60, and then I'll throw those in for free since the whole thing that's free. So 60 for everything. Huh? It ain't high, man. 60 in free clothes? Like, yeah. I'm throwing that in since, you know. How you doing?
Hey, how are you, man?
Doing good, man. Doing good. Yep. I'm gonna get 30, 40 for these easily out here. Good morning. How you doing? Hey.
Good, how are you?
Doing good. Oh no, I can't do 45. And that for free, no. No, I can't do 50. I'm already giving you that. I can't. Yeah. Cause it's like for these, it's really no negotiation really. Cause I'm throwing these in for free. You know what I'm saying, for you. You know, I'm charging nothing for them. You know. But you're getting the best of the best. You know what I'm saying right now. So.
I'm dropping 45.
Nah, I can do 45. That's 15 off from them. Come on, man. I said that's 50. You taking away $15 from them black boots. I said 60. You saying 45? If you're just trying to spend 45, then I can, you know what I'm saying, work you out a deal just for 45. But I probably won't be able to give you the clothes for free. I have to charge you for the clothes if I do that. Huh?
I already dropped them.
You say you don't want them?
I don't want to drop them.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, you want those?
Yeah, how much?
Give me. I'll take 7 on those.
That's her thing. She probably fell.
10 for me.
No, I didn't say 10. I said 5 when I had it in here. Cause it was 60.
She's trying.
60?
No, I'm saying with those it was 60.
Yeah, so she's trying. You know.
Cause these I'm gonna get 40 for these alone.
These are the only ones. These are the only ones that's good over here. Understand?
But I'm saying I'm gonna get 40 for those. You want 40? So 40 for these.
I just have to go to.
And then the rest of this is $5. Come on, man. That's why I gotta make some money out here too. You know. Yeah, I work here at a good deal since last time.
I know. Yeah.
You know. But that's like dirt cheap. Okay. 7. All right. Thank you.
Have a bag.
I don't need to have bags today, man. I forgot the bags. I'm like, man.
Okay.
Yeah, have a good one, man. Thanks. Just give me 5. I can't do 45, man. Can't do 50, man.
Man, you saying that one for
Well, I got to charge you for the clothes since you put that back. Because it was 60 with the clothes. Come on, man. Like,
you say you give it for free.
what's up, man? You good? Oh yeah, oh yeah.
You got
all right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You already take one. You say 60. You already
So,
take one.
what?
The boots.
I mean, the boost was included within 60 with those, so I gotta do 55 for all this and the clothes.
So you say you give me that one for free, bro?
If you got the boots.
For 60?
Yeah, that's what I was telling you is a deal. But if not, then I gotta charge you for the clothes.
All right, let me have the boots.
Oh, he just bought them.
I feel sorry for you.
Do you see? How you gonna do that then?
I mean, you put them back. I told you.
Yeah, but hey.
You know, I said
You
60.
You just have to reduce the price on the boots. Yeah.
What?
So, 50, bro.
Because the boots they worth a good amount too.
I
But
know that.
yeah, because look, I can get literally like I'm working
So
like
this one is,
I get you know you see, but you see what I'm saying though, right?
I'm coming for this one.
Oh, you gonna come for the yeah, man. But you already know I can get 40. You know what I'm saying? It's like,
Me and you.
okay,
me and
cool. You getting these? All right.
It's me and you.
Hold on, real quick. All right. Okay, you getting which ones you getting?
This one is a massage.
3? Okay. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, thank you.
You got a plastic bag?
No, I don't have any bags. Nah. Y'all left literally all the bags at the house, man.
That's all the purse you have?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, it's some more in the bag here.
If there's anything I want.
Okay.
Let me go, bro.
With these, man, I can get 40, man. It's hard. You know,
That's the only one that's good there.
I know, but look.
60.
But just you said how much? How much you said? You said 45.
No.
I said I can't do 45.
Right, 50. 50. Let's do that.
I gotta do 55, man.
Man, hold up. Yo, if you say 55, you sold out what you say 60, right? You sold
Well,
out
with the clothes for
$7.
free. Through the clothes in.
That one is. Yeah, you see that. Yeah, but
Yeah, you see what I'm saying? Yeah.
No,
I do 55. I mean, I do 50 for you.
see?
Matter of fact, 70. Nah, I got you.
Coming.
Yeah, look, y'all hear him? He said he's coming. What he coming? 100. Make sure it's real, cause you know, 20, 40.
I bring your bag back.
50. Oh no, you ain't gotta bring it back. No, you good, cause you're getting a lot of stuff. So yeah. Unless you want to bring it back, you know. But
Sure, I'll bring it back.
okay. Yeah, I appreciate it, man. You know those are Jet magazine. You know about them Jets?
2008. Yeah, I like the old one.
Oh no, it's something like in the 90s.
Where?
Or over there in the on the little small table. I'm gonna have to do 10 on those since those are men. I'm gonna do 10 on those. I can do the same as those. Huh? Yeah, I can't do 5 on those. I gotta do 10 because I really wanted 15, but TV 20. It works. No, it's Roku. You can just buy the thing. It got a Roku in it. You just buy the remote. Okay. Yeah, I gotta do 10, man. I gotta do 10 on those.
I give 3 in a few minutes.
Huh? You
I
said
give 3 more.
3 more?
Yeah.
Okay.
1
All right.
7?
He said what?
No 1 7?
Now I gotta do 10 because I really want 15 for those. But since you bought the other shoes, I do 10. Because you know you can't find them out here cheaper than that, man. All right, thank you. Did you want to look through this bag too?
No,
Okay, you getting these? Were you getting this one too?
yeah.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know.
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. You getting this right? 4, 9, 10. $10. Okay, so $9. Yeah. All right. $10. Let me give you a change. Here you go. Thank you. I'll pick it up for you.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
What?
I can see this.
Oh yeah. I literally just put them out. You like electronics?
Yeah.
You do? I got you. You like 8-tracks?
Yep.
I got 2 full boxes.
Really?
Yep. All right here.
The old ones.
Yeah, the old ones, man.
They're very
Some
old.
here, and it's a whole bunch right here.
I know you do my these ones.
You said what?
I know you used to my dude. Nice.
Oh yeah, thanks, man. Little camera. How you doing, man? Doing good. Yeah, all clothes is $1. The men are over here. Yeah, these are women clothes. The men right here. It's a lot of good clothing out here, man. Name brand. I don't know if you like vintage clothing. Yeah, some vintage stuff in here. How you doing, man? Doing all right?
How much you want?
I haven't even thought about it. I just put them out not so long ago. I mean, offer something.
Yeah, I want all of them.
I'll do.
You have a charger?
No, I got a charger to it. Yeah.
How much you want?
Yeah, that one's correct. Like 8 a piece.
$8?
Yeah, $8 a piece.
Oh, I don't care if you don't work, they don't work. I'm just using this for pets.
Yeah.
Well, the last time I told you I want some electronics.
Yeah, I forgot I had those in the back seat.
$5.
Yeah, I'll do 5. I got you. Yeah.
You have more?
Nah, that's it. That's it that I got. You wanted the TV too?
Yeah, I want the TV.
So I'll do, since you get 20, I'll do 10 on the TV. I know I told you 20. I'll do 10 on it. But it works. I plugged it up and everything. And I ain't gonna lie to you or nothing. If it don't work, I'll let you know. It just needs the remote.
The Roku remote?
Yeah, but you know, you can get a Roku remote anywhere. And you just it'll tell you how to, like, see Roku TV. It'll tell you how to sync it. But it's not hard. I do it all the time. All right. How many you get? 2. Okay. Oh, you got that affliction. Oh yeah. All right. You get $3 back. 1, 2, $3 you change. All right. Thanks, man. Have a good one. Okay. All right.
I'm taking. I want this one. This one I want this green.
Oh, you don't want that one?
Yeah. This
Okay. Oh, we
man,
gotta
I
eat.
appreciate you, man.
Yeah, I appreciate you too, man.
No,
but look.
Look, for the stuff you give me for free.
Yeah.
See,
Yeah, I got you,
all
man.
those
Yeah.
for my son.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. So if I get it,
Cause-
I'm gonna take a picture. I say, hey, my man from the flea market give it to give you.
Yeah, so this is what I wanted you to do, okay? Because a lot of my viewers, the last transaction, you probably didn't realize it, but you remember the first time you bought all those flip flops? I think it was like $125, but you gave me $120.
Yeah.
So a lot of my viewers, they were like, "Oh, he meant to do that. He's trying to get over it."
Flashback.
So I'm ready for the slide now. So what you say?
Okay. So all of them for $5 would be $150.
Hey man, give
7
me a deal.
each.
I buy them all.
Yeah, cause that's $150 for 30 pairs. You know what I'm saying? That's like, yeah, I can't go no lower than 150.
You can do 120. I buy them all. You see the reason why I'm buying, bro? People down there in Africa, they cheap.
Oh, you
I send them. I have to pay shipping. Yeah.
Okay.
I have to pay. I have to go and clear it, do the parts. So all those stuff, it's cost. And the cheap.
Okay. So if we do 125, then we got to do.
120. Let's do 120, bro. I don't mind.
That's $4 a pair.
You can,
I don't know about that, man. Yeah, cause I know I'm gonna get 10 a piece for them out here.
You say 125?
Yeah, I do 125. That's the lowest I'll go. Okay. All right. 50, 100. That make sure it's real, man.
Come on, man.
Nah. Double check.
End of flashback.
What happened? Yeah, all costs $1. Yep, $1. I posted it and I was like, he's a great guy. I don't think you meant, you know what I'm saying, to do that, whatever. So I want you to let them know that you're not sending it over there to sell it, but you say you send it over there to your son and you're gonna send me a picture.
Yeah.
So I can post a picture on there for you.
Okay.
And let people know, cause you know.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Just you know.
I'll do that.
Yeah.
Let me ask y'all a question. Do you think he sent me a photo? Nope.